Good girl.
I have a loud voice. So this is a very, very blessed day. I'll have a little bit more to say later. Thank you all for coming and sharing in Maui and Corin's Day. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone. I'm Rabbi Ann from Temple Bethel in Geneva, and I have the honor of marrying this really wonderful couple. And I just want to know, can you hear me?
No.
Yes. Yes.
Everyone can hear
No.
me?
It's not loud enough.
No, you're having trouble hearing. Okay, I'm going to take this mic then.
Okay.
Is this better?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, all right, excellent. So Molly and Corin, you're surrounded by loved ones whose joy and prayers are with you here. You stand at this chuppah, symbol of your future home. May your home be a shelter against the storm, a haven of peace, a stronghold of faith and love. Now in Jewish tradition, we like two things. We like songs and we like wine. Two ways to celebrate. And there is a blessing that I think some of you might know. It's called the Shehechianu. And Shehechianu means for arriving at this time. You know how it is when Corin and Molly first got in touch with me, I think it was last September, and it seemed so far away. I hadn't met them, I didn't know them, I didn't know what great people they were, and then here the time passes, and we're all here together, and it's our opportunity to sing this blessing. And I'll say it in the English, and then I'll sing it in the Hebrew. If anyone knows it in the Hebrew, please feel free to join in. We bless the Eternal, who has given us life, sustained us, and brought us to this joyous time. Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, shehechianu, v'hiyanu, v'hiyanu,
B'zman hazeh.
Molly and Corin, it is my honor to officiate at your wedding. The two of you have impressed me with your deep love for each other. Corin mentioned that the first time he saw you at orientation, you caught his eye. You were friends for a long time before you started to date, and that laid the foundation for the beautiful relationship that followed. When your friendship deepened and changed, you committed to each other, and your lives have been intertwined ever since. Your move to Chicago began a new and exciting chapter in your life together. Moving away from family and establishing a household has challenges, but your openness and honesty with each other has made it easier. You are not afraid to disagree or argue, but you are able to be kind and respectful and never lose sight of the caring feelings you have for each other. Your love and caring extends to your family and friends who surround you today. The love and support you receive from them is so evident, and your joining together as husband and wife is uniting this wide circle of people who love you so much. You both were exposed to a variety of religious beliefs and have decided to build a Jewish home together. You took this seriously by joining a synagogue in Chicago and studying Hebrew, Judaism, and ethics. No small feat, work and all the other obligations of life. Molly, then you decided to officially join the Jewish people. What a wonderful addition you are. And thank you for preparing the guide for your guests, explaining the symbols of the Jewish wedding. We'll begin the ceremony with a blessing over wine. This is the Kedushin, the sacred rite of marriage at the chuppah. And they get to drink some wine. We don't, but they do. The blessing over the wine is we bless the source of life, creator of the fruit of the vine. Baruch atah Adonai,
Eloheinu melech haolam, borei pari hagafen.
Fried onion. And now Cora and Molly will exchange the vows they have written for each other.
And once again, if you want to I always think about how amazing it is that everything our parents taught us and all the decisions we've made throughout our lives have led us to each other and to this moment right now. We've grown and learned so much over the past 7 years, and I can't wait to take this next step and continue to learn and grow by your side as your wife. I feel so lucky to be able to spend my life with my best friend. Through all the ups and downs, I feel so lucky to have you by my side. You always make me laugh and remind me to live in the moment. Even though I might not be a sports fan, I love going to games with you. I believe in you, the person you are today, and the person you'll grow to be.